Sunbelt Rentals is the second largest heavy equipment rental company in North America. It's the service that we provide that differentiates us. We have a mantra in our field, in our operations, of availability, reliability, and ease for our customers. In FP&A, we've adopted that mantra, and that really is at the heart of my role. We grew from about 350 locations to about 520 locations. New opportunities, new markets are emerging. We knew we needed to grow headcount. We knew we needed to have better data. And of course, we knew we needed a financial system that would scale to that growth. The IT department was looking for a BI solution, and the FP&A team was looking for a reporting and planning solution. And Cognos Analytics and Planning Analytics really fit the bill. Planning Analytics has empowered me and my team to be the owners of both the data and the processes. We rely less on IT now. We're able to deploy new reports and new data in a short amount of time. This has changed the way our end users access financial data and reports on the web and via the iPad, and enables them to make educated business decisions. We came across QueBIT and were lucky enough to find them. They have been a true partner in this whole endeavor for us. They have provided us wonderful guidance and continued support. We want to take planning analytics past the finance department and into other functional areas of our business. Planning really should be embedded in everything. There's also a lot of excitement around predictive modeling in every function of our business. The solution that we've implemented puts the actionable items at the forefront. It's no longer a question, is the data or the reports right? It's, this is the result. Go ahead and take action and improve your business.